द्वितीय परार्धे स्वेतराः कल्पे वैवस्वनमन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशमे कलियुगे प्रथमे पादे जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणे पार्श्वे शताब्दे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादीनां षष्ट्याः संवत्सराणां मध्ये हेमलम्बनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे ग्रीष्म ऋतौ मिथुनमासे शुक्लपक्षे एकादश्यां सुपतिथौ वासरः भौमवासर युक्तायां विशाखा नक्षत्र युक्तायां शुभयोग सुवर्ण एवं विशेषण विशिष्टायां अस्यां सुभद्रजो परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम अनुमति समेत रामचंद्र पूजां करिष्ये तरंगम कलश पूजां च करिष्ये। ओम कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कंडे रुद्र समाश्रिताः मूले तत्र स्थितो ब्रह्मा मध्ये मातृणा स्मृताः कुक्षौतो सागरः सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेद यजुर्वेद सामवेदोपधर्मणः अंगे सीता सर्वे कलशाम्बु समाश्रिताः गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं गुरु आयान्तु रामचंद्र पूजां दुर्द शेकारकाः। ओम भवाय देवाय नमः ओम सर्वाय देवाय नमः ओम पशुपतेर देवाय नमः ओम उग्राय देवाय नमः ओम भीमाय देवाय नमः महोदो देवाय नमः ओम केशवाय नमः ओम नारायणाय नमः माधवाय नमः ओम गोविंदाय नमः ओम विष्णवे नमः ओम मधुसूदनाय नमः ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः ओम श्रीधराय नमः ओम ऋषिकेशाय नमः ओम पद्मनाभाय नमः ओम दामोदराय नमः संकर्षणाय नमः अवरोक्षिताय नमः उपेन्द्राय नमः ओम हरये नमः ओम श्रीकृष्णाय नमः केशवाय नमः नारायणाय नमः माधवाय नमः गोविंदाय नमः विष्णवे नमः मधुसूदनाय नमः ओम त्रिविक्रमाय नमः वामनाय नमः श्रीधराय नमः ऋषिकेशाय नमः पद्मनाभाय नमः दामोदराय नमः संकर्षणाय नमः प्रद्युम्नाय नमः ओम अधोक्षिणाय केशवाय नमः सुमुखाय नमः एकदन्ताय नमः कपिलाय नमः गजकर्णिकाय नमः ओम लंबोदराय नमः विग्रहाय नमः विघ्नराजाय नमः विनायकाय नमः धूमकेतुवे नमः गणाध्यक्षाय नमः बालचंद्राय नमः ओम गजाननाय नमः वक्रतुंडाय नमः शूर्पकर्णाय नमः हेरंबाय नमः स्कंदमोरुजाय नमः सिद्धि विनायक स्वामी अनुमति समेत रामचंद्र स्वामिने नमः नानाविध परिमल पत्र पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। இன்னும் ரெண்டு ஊதுத்தி இருக்கா, ஊதுத்தி கொஞ்சம் ஏற்றி கொடுத்துட்டாக்கா. ஓம் தசாங்கங்கூலம் தூபம் சோமந்தங்கம் சுனோரம் ஆக்ரே சர்வதேவானாம் தூபோயம் பிரதிகிரேதாவனு சமத ராமச்சந்திர சுவாமினே நமः தூபமாக்ராபயாமி धूपमाग्रापयामि धूपानन्तरमाचमनीयं समर्पयामि साध्यं त्रिव्यक्ति संयुक्तं वन्नीना योजितं मया गृहाणमङ्गलं दीपं त्रैलोक्य तिमिरापहं अनुमति समेत रामचंद्र स्वामिने नमः प्रत्यक्ष दीपं दर्शयामि। ரைட் சார் ரைட்டு எது மட்டும் பண்ணிடலாமா? சுவாமிங்கிறது எல்லாருமே புதுதான் सर ಅದು ரைட் வாஸ்தவமான விஷயம். ஓம் போர் போஸ்வ தத்தோரண்யமர்கோ தேவதேவ सत्यं दुर्देन वर्षञ्जामि अमृतं भवतु अमृतोपस्तन्नमसि प्राणे स्वाहा व्याने स्वाहा अपने स्वाहा समने स्वाहा उडाने स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा अन्वर्समेत रामचंद्र स्वामी नमः कृतकुलपायसं माषाभूवं एतत् सर्वं नालिकीर खण्डद्वयं कदलीफलम् एतत् सर्वम् अमृतं निवेदयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि। भोर्भोस्वः पूजितसमायुक्तं नागवल्लीतलयुक्तं कर्पूरचूर्ण संयुक्तं ताम्बूलं प्रतिगृह्यतां कर्पूर ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि समस्तोपचारान् समर्पयामि। मम्मी एल्लरुक्कल कर्पूरं कामिकलामा वयं वै किं कामेश्वरो वै श्रृणोतु कुबेराज वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः हनुमत् समेत रामचंद्र स्वामिने नमः कर्पूर नीराजन सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि सहरेण रक्षा। सर ओम यानि यानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि तानि विनश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे अनन्तकोटि प्रदक्षिण नमस्कारान् समर्पयामि। पुष्पं போட்டுருங்க சொல்லுங்க வேரோக்த மந்திர புஷ்பாஞ்சலிம் சமர்ப்பயாமி। வாங்க 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 இன்னைக்கு உங்களுக்கு பெரிய பாக்கியம். ரிக்வேதம் எங்கேயுமே கிடைக்க மாட்டேன். இவ ரெண்டு பேர் ரிக்வேதம் எஜுர்வேதம் சாமவேதம் பெரிய பாக்கியம். ओम सत्रम समर्पयामि साम्रम समर्पयामि गीतम श्रावयामि नृत्यं दर्शयामि आंदोलनम् आरोपयामि समस्त राजोपचार पूजान् समर्पयामि। அப்படியே பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணிங்க।
342வது ஜெயந்தி ஃபெஸ்டிவல் ஆஃப் பூஜ்ய ஸ்ரீ நாராயண தீர்த்த சுவாமிகள். இப்பொழுது வேத பாராயணம் சபரி சாஸ்திரிகள் அண்ட் பார்ட்டி.
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्र्यावतु। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। वेदवादस्य वर्धनिभुरोर्विश्वस्य बृहतः वेदाये अध्यासते। ॐ श्रीवेदव्यासाय नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्युजम् ओदारं रत्नधातमम् अग्निपूर्वेभिरर्षिभिरीड्यानोदनैरुदा स देवायेह वक्षते अग्निना रहिमश्नवत्पोषमेव दिवे दिवे यशसं वीरवत्तमम् आग्नेयं यज्ञमत्वरं विश्वतः परिभूरसि स देवेषु गच्छति अग्निर्होता कविक्रतुः सत्यच्चित्रश्रावस्तमः देवो देवेभिरागमते यदं गदासुषे त्वमग्नेः भद्रं करिष्यसि तवेत्तत्सत्यमङ्गिरः उपत्वाग्ने दिवे दिवे दोषावस्तर्धिया वयं नमो भरन्त एमासि राजन्तमध्वराणां गोपामृतस्य दीतिविं वर्धमानं स्वेदमे स नः पिदेव सूनवेग्ने सूपायनो भव स च स्वानस्वस्तये कद्रुद्राय प्रचेतसे मीलिष्टमायतव्यासे वोचे मशन्तामं हृदे यथा नो अतिचित्करत्मश्वेन्द्रभ्यो यथा कवे यथा तोकाय रुद्रियं यथा नो मित्रो वरुणो यथा रुद्रश्चिकेतति यथा विश्वे सजोषसः गाथपातिं मेधपातिं रुद्रं जलाशभेषजं तच्छंयोः सुम्नमीमहे यः शुक्र इव सूर्यो हिरण्यमिव रोचते श्रेष्ठो देवानां वसुः शन्नकरत्यर्वते सुखं मेषाय मेष्ये नृभ्यो नारिभ्यो कवे अस्मे सोमश्रियमधिनिधेहि शतस्य नृणां महिश्रवस्तु विनृम्नं मानः सोमपरिबाधो मारादयो जुहुरन्त आनयन्तो वाजे भज यास्ते प्रजा अमृतस्य परस्मिन् धामन्धृतस्य मूर्धानाभा सोमवेन आभूषन्ते सोमवेदः इमा रुद्राय तवसे एकपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतीः यथा समशद्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्नातुरम् मृळानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विदेमते यच्छं जयोश्च मनुरा ये चे पिता ततस्या मदवा रुद्रप्रणीतिषु अस्यामाते सुमतिं देव यज्जया क्षयद्वीरस्य तव रुद्रमेड्वः सुम्नायन् विद्विषो अस्माकमाचरारिष्टवीराजुहवामते हविः त्वेषं वयं रुद्रं यज्ञसाधं कुं कुं कविमवासे निह्वायामहे आरे अस्मद्दैव्यं हेलो अस्य तु सुमतिमित्वयमस्या वृणीमहे दिवो वराहमारुषं कापर्धिनं द्वेषं रूपं नमसा निह्वायामहे हस्ते बिभ्रद्भेषजावार्या निशर्मवर्मच्छर्दिरस्मभ्यंसते इदं पित्रे मरुता मुच्यते वचस्वादो स्वादीयो रुद्राय वर्धनम् रास्वाचनो अमृतमर्तभोजनं त्मने तोकायतनायाय मृळ मानो महान्त मुदमानो अर्भगं मान उक्षन्त मुदमान उक्षितं मानो अवधेः पितरं मोद मातरं मान प्रियास्तन्वो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनाये मान आयौ मानो कोशमानो हश्वेषुरीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभाविदो वधीर्हविष्मन् तत्सदमित्वा आहवामहे उपाते स्तोमाहन् पशुपा इवाकारं रास्वाहा पितर्मरुतां सुम्नमस्मे भद्राहिदेः सुमतिर्मृणयत्तमाताः वयमव इत्ते वृणीमहे आरेते गोघ्नमुदपोहोरशघ्नं क्षयत्वीरसुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु मृळा च नो अदीज ब्रूहि देवाधा आतनः शर्मा यच्छद्विवर्हाः अवो च मनमो अस्मा अवस्यव शृणोतु नो हवं रुद्रो मरुत्वान् तन्नो मित्रो वरुणो मामहन्तामतेजस्वन्धुः पृथिवी उदद्यौः मुञ्जामित्वा हविषा जीवनायकमज्ञादयक्ष्मादुदराज यक्ष्मात् ग्राहिर्जग्राहयति वैतदेनं तस्या इन्द्राग्ने प्रमो मुक्तमेनं यदि क्षितायुर्यदि वा परे एदो यदि मृत्युरं जकन्नीत एव तमाहारामिनिरृतेरुपस्थादस्माहार्षमेनं शतशारदाय सहस्राक्षेण शतशारदेन शतायुषा हविषाहार्षमेनं शतं यथेमं शरतो न यातीन्द्रो विश्वस्य दुरितस्य पारम् शतं जीव शरतो वर्धमानः शतं हे मन्ताञ्छतमो वसन्तान् शतमिन्द्राग्नी शामिता बृहस्पतिः शतायुषा हविषेमं पुनर्दुः आहार्षं त्वा वीदं त्वा पुनरागाः पुनर्नव सर्वाङ्गसर्वं ते चक्षुः सर्वमायुश्च ते विदम् आयं गौः पृश्नेरग्रमेधसारं मातरं पुरः पितरं च प्रियं स्वाहा अन्तश्चारतिरोचनास्य प्राणादापानति व्यख्यन्महिषो दिवं त्रिंशद्धामविराजति वाक्पादङ्गाय धीयते प्रतिवस्तोरहद्युभिः ऋतं च सत्यं चाभिधात्तपसोऽध्यजायत ततो रात्र्यजायत ततः समुद्रो अर्णवः समुद्रादर्णवादधि संवत्सरो अजायत अहोरात्राणि विदधत् विश्वस्य मिषतो वशी सूर्याचन्द्रमसौ उधाता यथा पूर्वमकल्पयत् दिवं च पृथिवीं चान्तरिक्षमथो स्वाहा संसमित्यो वसे वृषन्नग्ने विश्वान्यर्या इलस्पते समिध्यसे स नो वसोऽन्यभर संगच्छध्वं संवादध्वं सम्भोमनांसि जानता देवा भागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मन्त्रः समितिः समानि समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषाम् समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेव समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानि व आकूतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनो यथा आवस्सु सहसति तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपातये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं चीगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपते शं चतुष्पदे शान्ता पृथिवी शिवमन्तरिक्षं द्यौर्नो ते व्यभाजन्नो अस्तु शिवादिशः प्रदिशा विद्विषो न आपो विद्युतः परिपान्तु सर्वदशां तिष्ठां तिष्ठां तिः हरिः ओम्.
இப்போ ருக்வேதம் சொன்னார், அடுத்த எஜுர்வேதம் சொல்ல போகிறா. அதுக்கப்புறம் சாமியம் சொல்லுவா, அடுத்த எஜுர்வேதம் சொல்ல போகிறா. இப்போ ஓம் கணானாந்த்வா கணபதிகம் கவாமகே கவிங்கவீனாமுபமஸ்திரவஸ்தமம் ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिवित्ते सदाधनम्. ॐ श्रीमागणपतये नमः. इषेत्वोर्जयत्वा भायवस्तो वत्सविदा प्रार्पयतुश्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मणे ॐ संजमे वयच्च मे प्रियंच मे नुगामश्च मे गामश्च मे सोमनसश्च मे भद्रञ्च मे सेयश्च मे वत्सश्च मे यशश्च मे भगच्च मे द्रविणञ्च मे इन्दाच मे दत्ताच मे चेमच्च मे वसच्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञातञ्च मे सोच्च मे प्रसोच्च मे क्षीरञ्च मे रयच्च मृतञ्च मे वसञ्च मे नृत्यञ्च मे नामश्च मे जीवादुच्च मे दीर्घायुत्वञ्च मे नमित्तञ्च मे भयञ्च मे सुगञ्च मे शयनञ्च मे शोषाच मे सुदिनञ्च मे ॐ शान्तिः 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 सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् सभूमिं विश्वतो भृत्वा अद्य तिष्ठत्तसाङ्गुलं पुरुषये वेदकं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यं मुदामृतत्वस्येषानः इदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानत्समहिमा अतो जायागिश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्बहुधे पुरुषः पादोऽस्येकाभवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामते शासनानसने अभि तस्मात् विराट जायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः स जातो अध्यरिष्यत पश्चाद्धो विमतो भुरः यत्पुरुषेण अविशा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यं ग्रीष्मयद्मः शरद्धविः सप्तास्यासंवरिदयः त्रिसप्तसमिधः कृताः देवा यज्ञं तन्वानाः अबद्धन् पुरुषं वसुं तं यज्ञं परिगिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्यार्षयश्च ये तस्माद्यज्ञाः सर्वगुतः सम्पृतं मृषधाज्यं पशुगुप्ताग्रे वायव्यान् आरण्याङ्घ्राभ्याश्च ये तस्माद्यज्ञाः सर्वगुतः रजस्सामानुजज्ञिरे छन्दागं च जज्ञिरे तस्माद् यदुत्तस्मादजायथ तस्मादस्वा अजायन्त एकेजो भयादतः गावो गजज्ञिरे तस्माज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कथिता व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्तको बाहु कावूरुपादा उच्छेदे ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराधन्यकृतः ऊरुददस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रस्याग्निस्य प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शेष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्याम्बो मिद्दिदस्तोत्रात् तथा लोकान् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेदं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमतस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विदधतीरः नामानि कृत्वा विविधर्यतास्ते धाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदा जहार चक्रप्रविद्वां प्रविधस्तदस्रः तमेवं विद्वानमृत इक भवति नान्यः पन्था अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयदन्तदेवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते घनाकं महिमानस्तदन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति देवाः अभ्यस्तम्बोधपृथिवीरसाश्च सममर्ददाति तस्त्वष्टा विदधध्रूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य वित्तमादानमग्रे वेदाहमेदं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वानमृत इक भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिस्तरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य तेरा परिजानन्तयोनिं मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेदतः यो देवेभ्यादपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो रुजाय ब्राह्मणे रुजं ब्राह्मणं जनयन्तः देवा अग्ने तदब्रवन् यश्चैतं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्पते ग्रीष्मते रश्मे च पत्न्यौ अहोरात्रे भास्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनो व्याक्तम् इष्टं मनुषाणाम् अवं मनुषाणाम् सर्वं मनुषाणाम् सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाख्यं विश्वसम्भवम् विश्वन्नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदम् विश्वतः परमान् नित्यं विश्वन्नारायणं गरिं विश्वमेवेदं वरुधत्तद्विश्वमुपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्याग्ने स्वर्गं साशिवं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महान्तेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायणपरो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणपरः नारायणपरं ब्रह्मतत्त्वन्नारायणपरः यज्ञसंजज्ञतस्सर्वं विश्वते एतोधिये वा अन्तद्भगिततस्सर्वं ह्यात्मनारायणस्थितः अनन्तरं समुद्रवेन्दं विश्वसम्भवं पद्मघोदप्रतीकासं प्रथयन्ताप्यथोमुखम् अतो निष्ठानतत्त्वान्तेनाभ्यामुपरितिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं पादि विश्वस्यायतनं मगते सन्ततकं शिलासु तुलं भत्यागोपसन्निवं तस्यान्ते सर्वं सोत्तं सत्यं सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं तस्तमध्ये महानुक्तः विश्वाक्षर विश्वतोमुखः सोष्ठर्मधर्मिष्ठन्नाराजमदनकविः निर्यशोतमदस्सादि विश्वयस्तसन्तता सन्तादिगदत्तं देगमालामल्मस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वह्निशिखा नियोज्या विवस्थितः नीलतो इदमध्यस्था युद्धुल्लेखे विभासरा नेवारसूपसत्यं नेदावासत्तुतोपमा तस्याः शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्मसगितस्तविश्रेयं दस्तोत्तरः परमस्वराट् हृदगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्मपुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेजं विरूपाच्यं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात् विष्णोऽनुगं वीर्याणि प्रबोधय्य पार्थिवानि ममेरजागं धियोष्टवाय सुदर्गं सदस्तं विचक्रमान सेतोरुघायो विष्णोरराधमध विष्णो पृष्ठमध विष्णो सत्ने त्वा विष्णो सूरज विष्णो ध्रुवमध वै सममध विष्णवे त्वा ओम शांति 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 सन्नो मित्र संवरणः सन्नो भवत्वर्यमा सन्न इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः सन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो तमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मादि तमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि हृदं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्भक्तारवतु अवतु माम् अवतु भक्तारम् ओम शांति शांति शांतिः सन्नो मित्रं वरुणः सन्नो भवत्वर्यमा सन्न इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः सन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो तमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मावादिशं ऋतमवादिशं सत्यमवादिशं तन्मावीत् तद्भक्तारमावीत् आवीर्माम् आवीर्भक्तारम् ओम शांति 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 सगना भवतु सगनो भुनक्तु सग वीर्यंकरवावहै ते दक्षिणावधीतमत्वमाविद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 नमो भाचे याचोदिताया चानुदितादस्ते भाचे नमो नमो भाचे नमो भाचस्पदये नमर्षिभ्य मन्त्रभ्यो मन्त्रपदेभ्यो मामाहृतयो मन्त्रगतो मन्त्रपदपराधुर्मामदेर्मन्त्रगतो मन्त्रपदीं पराजां वैश्वदेवीं वाचमुद्यासं शिवामुदस्था दुष्टां देवेभ्यस्तर्ममेद्यो सर्वमृथिवी सर्वमिस्तमिदं जगते छन्दब्रह्मत्वसूर्यत्वम् ब्रह्म प्रजापति भूतं वदिष्ठे भुवनं वदिष्ठे तेषो वदिष्ठे यशो वदिष्ठे तपो वदिष्ठे ब्रह्म वदिष्ठे सत्यं वदिष्ठे तस्मा अहमिमस्तमुपस्तरणं प्रजाये पशूना भूयासमुपस्तरणं प्रजाये पशूनां भूयासं प्राणापानो मित्योर्मापानं प्राणापानो मामाहादिष्ठर्मसु मनिष्ये मधुजनिष्ये मधुवक्ष्यामि मधुवदिष्यामि मधुमतीं देवेभ्यो वाचमुद्यासं शुश्रूषीण्यां मनुष्येभ्यस्तं मा देव अवन्तसो बाये पितरो न वदन्तो ओम शांति शांति शांतिः जातवेदते शृण्वाम सोममराति यतो निदः दिवेदः सनः परिषदि दुर्गानि विश्वानावेव सन्दन्दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णान् तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेऽधिजुष्टाः दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरतर्षे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानं यो अस्मां स्वस्तिभिरिति दुर्गानि विश्वा पूष्टविद्वे बहुलानभुर्वी भवातो गायतनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदस्मिन् धन्ननावादुरितादिपरिषीम् अग्ने अत्रवन्मनडागनानो अस्माकं वाद विजातनूना प्रसन्नायुधकं सगमानमग्नमग्निङ्गुवेम परमा सदस्तात् सनः परिषदि दुर्गानि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अधिदुर्गादग्निः पत्नोषिगमेढ्यो अद्धरे सनाचहो दानं व्यसदस्ति स्वाञ्चा अग्ने सर्वं विप्रे स्वास्मभ्यञ्जतोपगमाय दस्ता गोभिर्तिष्ठमविध्वनिजित्तं तवे इन्दविष्णो अनुसंचरेम नागस्थपृष्ठमिदं वदानो वैष्णवेन लोकैकमादयन्तां कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात् हिरण्यवर्णां हरिणीं सुवर्णरत्नसुजां चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः तां महावः जातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनमगामिनीं यस्यां हिरण्यं विन्द्ययङ्गामस्वं पुरुषानघम् अश्वपूर्वामृतमध्यामश्विनाद प्रबोधिनीं देवीं उपक्वयेत् सेर्मा देवी तुषतां कांसोत्पिदां हिरण्यप्राकारामाद्रां दरन्तीं तृप्तां तर्पयन्ति पद्मे सुतां पद्मवर्णां तां योपक्वयेत् श्रियं चन्द्रां प्रभासां यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियल्लोके देवदुष्टां दारां तां पद्मनीमीं शरणहं प्रपद्ये लक्ष्मीमेन सदां त्वां वृणे आदित्यवर्णे तपतोजि धातोपनस्पतिस्तपभृष्टोद बिल्वः तस्य फलान्तपदान सन्तु मायान्तराया च बाह्या लक्ष्मीः उभयसुमान् देवधनकीर्तस्य मनिनासः प्रातर्भूतोत्पिरान्तेष्टं कीर्त्यमस्तं ददातु मे चक्षुभासामलाञ्जेष्टा लक्ष्मीर्नाशयाम्यहम् अभूषमुदमर्द्यन्त सर्वान् नित्यत मे गृहात् गन्धद्वारान् दुरादर्शान् नित्यपुष्टाङ्गरीषिणीः ईश्वरीं सर्वभूतानां तां ह्योपक्वये श्रियं मनसः काममाकूतिं वाचः सत्यमधीमहि पशूनां रूपमन्यस्मै स्त्री सयसां यतः कर्तमेन प्रजाभूतामहितं भव कर्तमा श्रियं वासे मे कुले मातरं बद्धमारिणे आवत्सुतन्तु सिग्धादित्येतोष मे गृहे निज देवी मातरं श्रियं वासे मे कुले आद्रां पुष्करणे भट्टं सुवर्णा एव मालिनी सूर्यां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः आद्रां यक्करणे विष्णुं पिङ्गलां बद्धमालिनी चन्द्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो महावः तां महावगजातवेदो लक्ष्मीमनमगामिनी यस्यां हिरण्यं प्रभूतं गावो धास्योऽस्मान् विन्द्येयं पुरुषाणम् महादेवी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् आविर्गेभ्यर्यदतो नभोणमाप्यायगो वर्धमानः सा चौधुर्भ्यो मयि गोत्रार्जाजबोधिष्ठवाजो अददेस्याम ब्रह्मप्रावाविष्टतन्नो महासेत् ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ அது சாமியை சொல்ல போறா எஜுரி சொல்லியாச்சு சாமியை சொல்ல போறா
आदर्धारोत् समसृजो विघानि त्वामन्नावान् बद्बदानाङ्गराम्नाः महान्धामे द्रवर्वदं वियाद्वा श्रेजाधाराः आवायद्दान वान्हान् वो येडा आदर्धारोत्सामाश्रेजाः विघाने त्वमन्नवान् बद्बदानान् आराम्नाः महान्तमिन्द्रपर्वतं वेयाद्वा श्रेजाधाराः आवायद्दान वाः या औहो वाहान् ॐ महागणपतये नमः हुवे वाचां वाचं वाचं होवे वाक् शृणोतु शृणोतु वाक् वाक् समयतु समयतु वाक् वाग्रमातां रमातां रमातु वा औहो वा इहा 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 हो वाई वाचां वाचं हुवाय वाक् शृणोतु सान्नोतु वाक् सामयितु सामयितु वाग्रमतां रमतु वा औहो वा माये 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 यद्यावये दृदाः वा सादां हा येडा नत्वा वज्रिं सहस्रंसो रियाः आौ वा आणो हा हाउ वा येडा न जातम शरो आौ वा इडिडा हाउ 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 येसो हाउ येसो हाउ येसो हाउ वर्चो हाउ वर्चो हाउ वर्चो हाउ आत्मिन्हाय 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 वा तवेदिन्द्रा वामं वासो त्वम्बोषरिमध्यामं सत्रा विश्वस्य परमस्य राजसे न किष्ट्वा घोषो वृण्वते हाउ 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 येसो हाउ येसो हाउ येसो हाउ वर्चो हाउ वर्चो हाउ वर्चो हाउ आत्मिन्हाय 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 वा ये आयुर्विश्वायुर्विश्वं विश्वमायुर्से मयि प्राजान्ध्वष्टाराधिनिते यस्मै सारञ्जीवे मसाराधो वायन्ते
இதுவரை வேத பாராயணம் சபரி சாஸ்திரிகள் அண்ட் பார்ட்டி. அடுத்ததாக துவக்க விழா. Cordially invite you for the 342nd Jayanti Festival of Pujya Sri Narayana Tirtha Swamigal, Taranga Music Festival. Prayer by Selvan Anirudh Shankar.
गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोकुल बालक परमानंद गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद गोकुल बालक परमानंद गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविंद श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर भवकभयहर पाहि मुकुन्द श्रीवत्साङ्कित श्रीकौस्तुभधर भवकभयहर पाहि मुकुन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोकुल बालक परमानन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द आनन्दामृत परिधि केल अलगु पराक्रम अनुपम लीला आनन्दामृत परिधि केल अलगु पराक्रम अनुपम लीला श्रीनन्दात्मज श्रुत जनपाल श्रीकर्ण केसलय लालन लोला नन्दामृत श्रुत जनपाल श्रीकर्ण केसलय लालन लोला गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोकुल बालक परमानन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द पालित सुररिपु पादपवृन्द पामर जनित परामृत कंद पतित सुररिपु पादपवृन्द पामर जनित परामृत कंद नाट्य रसोगत नानाभरण नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरण नाट्य रसोद्गत नानाभरण नारायण तीर्थार्चित चरण गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द गोकुल बालक परमानन्द गोवर्धन गिरिधर गोविन्द
Thank you, Anirudh, for the lovely rendering of the prayer. Now I request Srimati V. Neela, Chief Manager, Canara Bank, to present the welcome address.
Namaskaram, one and all. All of us experience some first moments. Generally, we parents help our kids find meaning to some of the expressions. Today, my daughter helps me articulate many expressions I have for my father. I take great honor in conducting today's Jayanti festival along with the support of our family, which has been the case always for the cause of dedication to Sri Narayana Tirtha, which we learned from our great father and grandfather, and use this and many future festivals as an opportunity to pay a fitting tribute to my father, Tirupundurthi late Sri V. Venkatesan. Of course, the obvious first moment for all of us present here is to conduct the long-rendered festival without the physical presence of the man himself, my father. Tirupundurthi Sri late V. Venkatesan, my appa, was a man known for his discipline, punctuality, planning, commitment, humility, hospitality, organizing skills, and many values we find hard to follow in today's world. It makes me wonder at times as to how he upheld all these values without any compromises, yet was loved by all who came into his fold. We truly believe he and his aura will continue to be with us as a guiding light in everything we pursue. With that, I take immense pleasure in welcoming all of you who have come to in today to support our endeavor to keep his vision glowing and growing. I take this opportunity to welcome Srimati Sujata Manoharan, a renowned dentist. Whether Madam Sujata is there? No, she is coming little late, I think. She is wife of Canara Bank Chairman Sri T.N. Manoharan, and as a member of Canara Bank family, I have great pleasure to welcome you to this festival, Madam. Srimati Punita Saravanan, a woman industrialist and one of the esteemed customers of Canara Bank, proved the power of women, and I have immense pleasure to welcome you to this function. I heartily welcome Kalaimamani Srimati Chitra Visvesaran, who enlightened the concept of dance and present here to preside over our function. All these three women who achieved greatness in their respective fields and symbols of women empowerment are present here for lighting the lamp and inaugurating our function so graciously. They are great inspiration to the women in general and to me, my sister, my family and daughter in particular. I applaud Selvan Anirudh Shankar who offered his prayer to the Almighty so beautifully. Sri He Karishankar, Secretary, Narada Gana Sabha, is our special guest for the evening. He is multifaceted, a runner by the morning, an advocate through the day, an avid music lover, and an astounding organizer like his father. He is a source of impact wherever he is and has supported the endeavors of the trust wholeheartedly. He is the son of Sri R. Krishnaswamy, who was our trustee for a long time, without whose support our trust would not have grown to the present level. Sri N.V. Subramanian and late Sri R. Krishnaswamy played vital role to shape our trust to its present form today. I am elated to welcome you, Sri Harishankar, and this is my special honor today, sir. It is my privilege to invite Padma Shri Awardee, Kalaimamani Srimati Chitra Visvesaran, a dance doyen, as our chief guest in the 342nd Jayanti Festival of Pujya Sri Narayanatitha Swamigal. Her life around dance began at a tender age of 3. Her father was an engineer with the Indian Railways, and Madam, people should know, with the Indian Railways, and the frequent travel associated to his job gave little Chitra an exposure to a variety of dance forms. During her formative years, she was blessed to learn classical ballet, Manipuri, Kathak forms of dance when she was hardly 10 years, who came under the tutelage of Srimati T.A. Rajalakshmi, one of the best Devadasis from Trivide Mardur, who had settled in Kolkata. During 70s, around the same time when she was to complete her bachelor's in English, she received the scholarship for advanced study in Bharatanatyam from the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. This was a period where only 2 such scholarships per year were awarded nationwide compared to the higher numbers of scholarships awarded today. She spent her 4-year scholarship period studying in Chennai under Valur Ramayya Pillai. It was him who created visibility for Chitra and helped her grow leaps and bounds in the arts fraternity. After her tenure with Sri Pillai, she moved back and started teaching dance in Kolkata at the age of 16. And in 1975, she established the Chidambaram Academy of Performing Arts in Chennai. Today, this organization has grown like a banyan tree and has institutions around the world led by her former students. Her splendid performances are many, and the dance production she has choreographed has been part of his almost endless list. A few noteworthy productions include Krishnanjali, which introduced the flashback technique to Bharatanatyam. Purandara Krishnamridam, in which rare kritis of Kannada composer Purandaradasa were researched and strung together thematically. Sapta Sapti, which explores 7 aspects of the number 7. Sri Sakti, a sage saga of Indian woman from Sita to Jhansi Ki Rani. She has traveled across the globe, and it's safe to assume that there exists no country which has not been touched by her divine feat and scintillating performances. We are very glad to have you amidst this august gathering. I welcome you once again, Madam. I also take the pleasure of welcoming artists for today's concert, Srimati Gayatri Girish, who plans to dedicate today's concert to my father, Tirupundurti late Sri V. Venkatesan. She will present songs from all the 12 Geetam, the different sections of the beautiful work, Sri Krishna Lila Tarangini of Saint Sri Narayana Tirtha, in sequential order of the sections. We appreciate her thoughtful tribute during the occasion. She will be accompanied by a brilliant team of musicians, which includes Sri B. Ananthakrishnan on the violin and Sri R. Sankar Narayanan on the mridangam. Last but not the least, I welcome every single devotee of Saint Sri Narayana Tirtha, Rasikas of music, the entire music and dance fraternity, the organizers from various sabhas, patrons and trustees of the trust. I fondly remember the numerous donors on this occasion who used to contribute year after year to help the trust to grow, and I thank and welcome all the donors on behalf of my late father, Sri Tirupundurti Venkatesan and the trust. I welcome you all once again. Thanks for the opportunity. Now I request Madam Chitra Vishweshwaran Madam to preside the function and deliver her speech.
शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु परम्पराम् ओम नमो भगवते मुद्गृष्णाय. Today is a very poignant evening when one is stirred by the bhakti and commitment of the devotees of the great sanskara that is ours, which believes in honoring the gurus, which believes in honoring the saints, in a country in the hearts of everyone where bhakti lives and thrives. One such great bhakta was Sri Tirupundurti Venkatesan. My mind goes back a few years when he asked me to present a lecture demonstration here. For me, that became a journey of learning, for it helped me delve deep not only into Sri Narayana Tirtha's compositions, but into the history and the cross-pollination of art and culture that has happened in our country and which has enriched our people, an enrichment which will stay forever for decades to come, for centuries to come. And to find that exodus from Andhra, which went up to Tanjavur and to Palghat and to Shimoga, and to find that my own people came from that strain and settled in Palghat. It was a very stirring experience. And but for somebody, a person whose devotion is unparalleled, whose commitment is unparalleled, but for somebody like Sri Venkatesan, I would maybe never have delved into the subject. There has to be a reason for everything, and he was the catalyst for my search. Our country is an amazing country because there is so much that has happened, that is happening not just today, but which has happened for centuries. The integration which was there even then, even in the days of Adi Shankara, where the priests from different parts of the country were established in other parts so that we learn to live together, understand, and enrich each other's culture and become one as Bharat, as Bharatvarsha. And one very important stream that has knit everyone together is the great Bhakti Dhara, which will never end. Somebody once asked me, do you believe in all this devotion and all this bhakti? Do you think it will carry on as long as there is man or woman, and as long as you believe in a higher power, and as long as there is faith, this world will go on beautifully, and each one will realize that the macro that we see outside is but a reflection of the macro within. And you realize that we all, akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram, sarvadeva namaskaram keshavam pratigacchati. You may address God by whatever name you want. And it may be, this faith may be of different streams and rivers. But finally, our objective is to reach that supreme Godhead, which is the supreme ocean itself. Great saint poets like Narayana Tirtha have been instrumental in awakening and ascertaining a continuum of that bhakti which is so much part of the Indian psyche. I think to dissociate bhakti from somebody who is genuinely Bharatiya would totally negate the concept of Bharatiyam. His compositions, so enchanting, so much part of the Kuchipudi repertoire, and inspired by that, taken into the Bharatanatyam repertoire, so conducive for dance, so conducive for lilting music, have been made possible only because of his followers celebrating his essence and his divinity and his sukshma presence. By celebrating this Jayanti without a break for so many years, 342 years. Human psyche is such that as long as a person is alive, we remember the person. We adore them, we speak highly of them, but his memory has been kept alive by his followers, by this parampara, this vamsa, of which no mean effort has been put, but great efforts have been put to keep it alive. His lyrics, his music, and above all, the bhakti which is awakened by that great creativity is something that we require, especially in Kali Yuga, because Nama Sankirtanam is what we need in this Yuga. And Narayana Tirtha's compositions are so full of that essence. Whether you dance to it, you sing to it, or you read it, and you realize there is so much more than this mere physical, materialistic life around us. And the purpose of these art forms is to, in our country, is to make men of beasts and gods of men. Chonnathu Tirumular. Mirugama Manidanavam. Manidana Devama Akum Kalayal. நம்ம நாட்டில் நாட்டியமோ சங்கீதமோ கவிதையோ நாடகமோ ஒரு என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட்காக பண்ணுறதில்ல. அப்படி யோசிச்சு அதை சிருஷ்டிக்கலை. நாட்டியசாஸ்திரத்திலேயே எதுக்கு நாட்டியசாஸ்திரம் எழுதப்பட்டது? ஏன்னா வேதங்கள், இப்போ வேத கோஷம் நம்ம காதில் விழுந்தது எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருந்தது, எவ்வளோ புனிதமாக இருந்தது. அந்த வேதத்தை கேட்கக்கூட கிடைக்காத வாழ் இருந்ததுனால சமுதாயம் அதர்மத்தில் மூழ்கிடுது. அதனால் நாட்டிய வேதத்தை சிருஷ்டிங்கோன்ட்டு பிரம்மாட்ட போய் முனிவர்கள்லாம் கேட்டுண்டா. அவர் சிருஷ்டிச்சு கொடுத்தார். ஆனால் நம்ம புத்தி கெட்டணுமே, நம்ம மனசுக்கு புரியணுமே. அதனால் அவர் அதை எடுத்து பரதர்கிட்ட கொடுத்து அதை நாட்டிய சாஸ்திரமாக ஆக்க சொல்லி அதை சாராம்சமாக கொடுத்து, அதில் என்ன ரொம்ப முக்கியமானதுன்னா, அதாவது இந்த நாடகங்கள் மூலம் அண்ட் நாட்டிய சாஸ்திரால it's a mammoth work which is not just where everything was part of a whole. அது நாடகமாக இருந்தால் சரி, கவிதையாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, இயலாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, நாட்டியமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, நாடகமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, சங்கீதமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, எல்லாத்துக்கும் இடம் இருக்குது. ஏன்னா எல்லாம் ஒரு முழுசு. அப்போது அதில் இந்த கலைகள் மூலம் நல்ல விஷயங்கள் ஜனங்களுக்கு எட்டணும். அந்த நல்ல விஷயங்களில் நம்ம மனசு செலுத்தினா சமுதாயமே உயர்ந்து போகும். அண்ட் அதுதானே ஆதாரத்தோட பக்தியோட ஆதாரம் தான் அடிப்படை. அதனால் அந்த பக்தியை தட்டி எழுப்புறது இந்த லலித கலைகள் மூலம் அப்படி அதாவது ரொம்ப சுருக்கமாக சரளமாக லாவகமாக பண்ணிட முடியும். அதனால் இது மாதிரி கவிதைகள், பாடல்கள், இதுக்கு ஆடல்கள், இது எவ்வளவு நம்ம ஆனந்தமய கோஷத்தை தட்டி எழுப்பம்ன்ட்டு நமக்கு யோசித்து பார்த்தா உடம்பு சிலக்கும். இப்பேற்பட்ட ஒரு great saint poet of our country, of whom we should be proud சொல்கிறது ஆக்சுவலி நமக்கு சொல்கிற என்ன அருகதை இருக்கு? What way are we equipped to say all this? But to say that they stir us. And அதாவது சொல்கிறது உண்டு, the Bhagavat is not important, the Bhakta is not important, the Raganuga is important, the connection. And the Raganuga அதுதான் has been the bond between Narayana Tirtha and Thiruvenkateshan. And that is what has carried it on, this parampara, for generations. To be truthful, when Mr. Venkateshan called me several months ago and asked me to keep this date free, after that I had been traveling a lot. And I was not aware of his leaving this physical body until his daughter spoke to me. And what stirred me and moved me was, instead of sort of imprisoning themselves in, I will not say ritual, but imprisoning themselves in the thought that they should not at this time present this evening, they decided this would be a Shraddhanjali to their father. And even though today I was suddenly told to go to Madurai officially, I requested them to shift the meeting to later so that I could be part of this Shraddhanjali too. And my deep respects to the family for carrying on the tradition. My best wishes to every one of you, and I pray to God above and within and to my spiritual guru that you may always have the strength to continue, you must always have the support to continue, and this must be your annual offering to Narayana Tirtha and your father. Thank you very much. என் அழைச்சதுக்கு என் நன்றியை தெரிவிக்கிறேன். God bless everyone. Namaskar.
I'm just reminded of a saying that my tata keeps telling me. நான் தமிழ்லேயே சொல்கிறேன். So while I was young, I asked him, what is bhakti, right? He said, you can't articulate it, you can only experience it. But I think as an artist, you articulated it so well. And I believe so that unless someone experiences bhakti in its true essence, cannot articulate it. So you yourself are an embodiment of the bhakti moment. And thank you so much for being amongst us today. And thank you so much for actually rescheduling your other appointments for us. Now I request Shri K. Harishankar, Secretary, Naradagana Sabha, to present a special address in this occasion.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. When I was first called upon to be present here, I was just thinking this is the usual thing, because every year I'm here with Tirupandurthi Mama for the function, both the Aradhana as well as the Jayanti celebrations, one of which happens in the Sringeri Pravachana Mandram, and then the Jayanti in association with Naradagana Sabha happens here every year. And it was something that is part of our duty, and that duty was inculcated in us by Tirupandurthi Mama himself. I call him Tirupandurthi Mama because for us, we were used to calling him that way, not as Venkatesan or anything else. He was an emissary of Tirupandurthi also in as many ways as Narayana Tirtha himself was. Probably the place has attained its significance because of several greats, starting from Swami Narayana Tirtha and then on to Mama Venkatesan Mama. I saw the invite and I was quite shocked to see that it said it was a special address by me. After an artist, somebody, a personality whom an entire generation of ours has been inspired by, like Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran. After she speaks, I don't know what specialty I'm going to bring into anything that I speak here. But the one thing that is always special is speaking about Venkatesan Mama himself. He was a special person. In the welcome address, his qualities were briefly touched upon. And the first thing that you mention when you think of him is his discipline. His discipline, not just in how he conducts himself, but the discipline with which he expects others to interact with him as well. He was very meticulous in all his planning and execution. I remember several years back when he was still in service is when he started this movement, I should say, to popularize Narayana Tirtha and the compositions of Swami Narayana Tirtha. And at that point, they had initially, along with my father, they had initially approached Doordarshan, and even today that program in Doordarshan still continues. In those days, there was only one channel. Doordarshan was the only television that was available. And from, I think, around the 300th year of Swami Narayana Tirtha or something, they have a national program, which was a big thing. In those days, artists to perform in the national program was itself a big achievement. And that national program, which used to be aired around 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the night on a weekday or on a Friday night, I think. And there they had a documentary done by Doordarshan for the efforts which he had taken at that point to take the crew from here to Tirupandurthi, film the entire thing, give them all the details. All of this took a lot of discipline from him to execute what he wanted to. Similarly, he, in the way he conducts programs, he built the memorial in Tirupandurthi, he refurbished and built the memorial. And he has taken great pains to do that. And it won't be an exaggeration if I say that to our generation, at least to my generation, Narayana Tirtha was introduced to us by Tirupandurthi Mama. He was truly an emissary of Narayana Tirtha. Probably the great saint chose Mama to do his work in our generation. And he has done a phenomenal job at that in popularizing his works, bringing together several people. There may be great artists like Shri Yesudas, who is also one of the patrons and the trustees in this trust. From him till teaching these tarangams to youngsters, seeing that it is popularized, he has made several sishyas of his sing. All of this without any other expectation except his duty to his guru. He has not expected anything in return for what he has done. He was himself a very accomplished musician, but he never once used to ask anybody to give him an opportunity to perform or do anything. He didn't, he could have probably sung many, many, many more concerts than what he did, but he never aspired for that. Anything, he would first ask for the propagation of Narayana Tirtha's works, and he was so dedicated to that cause. So it's very unfortunate that we are still shocked because age or health or anything did not ever deter him from doing the work of the trust or the work of Narayana Tirtha. The exuberance with which he has done the functions. Even a few months back, he was there when the Aradhana function was done. So at every point, he has been doing that. And it was a shock to all of us that he suddenly left us. It's a great responsibility that he was discharging. But we are also fortunate in the sense that instead of his one shoulders, he has left three shoulders to bear the weight. 3 sets of shoulders are there in his children. And Swati is also there, his granddaughter. So I hope they continue the great tradition and the good work that Tirupandurthi Mama has been doing for several years. And in this, surely from Nardagan Sabha's side, we would do whatever is necessary to probably be like Anil Pangu in their work in propagating these works. And thank you for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you, Harishankar ji. So you were mentioning about Tata's exuberance. I just wanted to mention, I'm getting a lot of memories of him. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of your time. So even during his last breath, right, I would quote Narayana Tirtha and he would actually show his willpower to sustain. He was going through a severe cardiac and he would really show his willpower and he would fight it out. But yeah, it just happened. So I just got reminded of that moment. And we will definitely request for all the support that we've been receiving from all the artists and the organizers that has supported Tata's endeavor. And we would like to continue doing that. Now we would like to honor the dignitaries on stage. I request V. Lakshmi to honor Srimati Punita Saravanan. I request the presence of Srimati Vijayashree to honor Srimati Chitra Vishweshwar. May I request Shri Ramji Mama to honor Shri K. Harishankar. I request my mother, Srimati V. Neela, to present a memento to the guy who sang the prayer very beautifully, Anirudh Shankar. Now I request my Chiti, Sedvi V. Lakshmi, to present the vote of thanks for the evening.
Om Gurubhyo Namaha. My prayerful and respectful namaskarams to the lotus feet of Pujya Shri Narayana Titha and profound regards to the trustees of all the three trusts, namely Tirupondurthi Narayana Titha Swamigal Trust, Narada Gana Sabha Trust and Saraswati Vagyakara Trust. Good evening to all Rasikas and devotees. First of all, I want to thank for giving me an opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this great occasion of 342nd Jayanti Festival of Pujya Shri Narayana Titha. This is the first occasion without the physical presence of my father. I am proposing vote of thanks. The people to whom I want to thank are very numerous, but I don't want to delete anybody. And I also want to mention a special thanks about our trustees who have determined to carry the mission of my father. Special mention I want to mention here. And for today's function, I want to thank Padma Shri Chitra Vishweshwaran Madam, who presided over and graced the occasion. Since she is an international artist, everybody knows, and she spared her precious time on this great occasion. So I want to mention a special thanks to her. And our special thanks to the Veda Parayanam group. அவள் அந்த இடத்த எவ்வளோ அழகாக புனிதமாக பண்ணினாங்கிறது நீங்களே பார்த்துருப்பேன். அண்ட் ஸ்ரீமதி சுஜாதா மேடம் அவங்களால வர முடியல, லைட்டிங் த குத்தி விளக்கில். ஸ்ரீமதி புனிதா சரவணன் அண்ட் ஸ்ரீமதி மேடம் and Shri K. Harishankar sir, our secretary, Narada Gana Sabha, and all the staff members, medias, whoever யாராவது விட்டு போயிருந்தா மன்னிச்சுக்கணும்னு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். Last but not the least, devotees and music lovers deserve a special mention for their great involvement and devotion to Pujya Shri Narayana Titha. Thanks for giving me an opportunity once again for this vote of thanks. And I am just missing my father like anything. Thanks to one and all. Thank you.